Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another helpful video from How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to animate on one click in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Canva application at first, and after opening the Canva application, just simply create a project or open an existing project into your Canva. I'm opening this ninja project of mine, and after that just simply tap into any of the image into that project which you want to animate, and after tapping into that just simply scroll down this bottom bar and then you will get to see this animate option just beside flip. Just simply tap into that animate option and then you will get so many options to animate your photo. The first one is photo zoom, and the second one is photo flow, and many more. Just simply select the animation that you want, and after selecting the animation which you'd like, you just simply have to cut this option and you have successfully done your animation. This way you can animate your picture in one click on Canva. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.